Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It's an organizing one today because I have a problem area in my home which is very persistent and never really has been addressed successfully. Let's put it that way. I have tried several different things to organize this area, but nothing sticks and nothing works. I'm talking about this drawer right here. Oh, here we go. This is where I store my hair accessories, my small hair accessories, so things like clips, pins, elastics, and just anything that isn't a big headband. Obviously I have a lot of that stuff. I am a hair YouTuber, I do a lot of hair stuff. This is all stuff that I need for work, so I need to find a good way to organize it. At the moment I only have this one drawer as a designated hair accessory drawer. Even though I do this for a living, having more than one drawer of hair accessories just feels a bit excessive. I also already have this thing filled with hair stuff. I have one drawer of hair products and one of extensions and wigs and everything over there. I mean, there is a lot of hair stuff, so I would love to limit this to one drawer still. Let me pull you closer and show you the situation. So here is what this looks like right now. As you can see, I have tried some things. For example, this little box contains all of my duckbill clips. And then I have little boxes here that contain hair elastics and little hair elastics and bobby pins, but it's just not organized in the best way. And then buried under all of this, I have more kind of little boxes, but it's just it doesn't work. Obviously, it doesn't work. I need to find a way to organize this better. I am going to sort through, see if there's anything I can get rid of. I don't expect there will be much, but still. I think it'll be a good idea if I pull everything out first, so that I get a better view of the actual drawer and everything I have. Then we'll move on from there. Alright, I emptied out the drawer and this is what I have and this is what needs to go back. I feel like it looks like a lot spread out like this, but many of these things can be consolidated into much smaller containers. So this is all the stuff that I already had in there. And then I recently kindly got sent a press package full of hair accessories, which is absolutely amazing and I'm very grateful for it. But all of that needs to go in as well and it's quite a lot. I went to the store and I got myself these clear organizers. I got 2 sets of these. I am honestly putting my hopes on these small ones. I hope that it'll all fit in these and I hope that they fit in the drawer, because I haven't tried that out yet. Maybe that's actually the first step I should take. Okay, I think that'll fit if I take it off the cardboard. That is really nice. I am very happy with that. Looking at the amount of compartments in here, I still think I might actually have to do 2 drawers. I could pull in this drawer as well. This one only pretty much contains old electronics and cables and things like that. So I might just sacrifice that drawer and dedicate that to hair accessories. Put back the things first that I am certain of that I will be putting back and using a lot. So that is, of course, my bobby pins. I love that these containers are a lot higher so that I can put in more than the new ones. I'm really glad I found these organizers because I need to be able to pull the individual little bins, I guess, out when I'm filming. I need to be able to take them to the living room or put them up here somewhere. That fits perfectly. So next to that, little hair elastics. Alright, perfect. And I think I want to use this one for normal hair elastics. So like the regular black and brown ones. I also have some like fun colored ones, but I think I want to keep those separate from the like functional normal ones. Oh, that one's stretched out. I'm not gonna put that one back. I think I'm gonna put fun clips in that one, like decorated ones, like these with pearls or hearts. I'm just gonna have more decorative hair clips. So here I have a bin full of golden hair clips. I had no idea I had so many, but I feel like this bin is unnecessarily big for what it is. So I think I'm gonna open up the second pack. Oh, guys, they stack. Oh, they stack. I'm saved. Okay, okay, in that case, I'm definitely opening the second package. And that gives me so much more room to do this. Oh, ooh, I'm very happy I discovered that. Alright, let's try that then. Give them a little one. Yeah, see, one is plenty. So I think I'm just gonna pop those. I'll see where I put them later. I'm just gonna put them up here for now. This one is good for all of these black clips. For some reason I have like 1,000 of. I think I'm gonna dedicate another small little cube to my hair combs. Oh wait, no, the combs need to go on the bottom. I'm gonna put the combs in this one, I think. I have all of these little pearl clips, and I think I might use one of the small bins for those, so that I don't have to twist them back onto this holder every time I've used them. And these can go on the bottom layer because I don't use these a lot. And I think I'm gonna dedicate the last small clear bin to non-black hair elastics. That gives me a bottom layer. Very good, very good. Happy so far. This tall one over here, I think I'm going to put my hair sticks in there. And I think I'm just gonna put this holder on the bottom there. This little hair fork with those as well. I think I can pop all of my bows into this big one in the back. Okay, you know what? I might actually put my snood and these flowers in there. Can I just add these as well? And make this the bottom layer, because I do use my bows more frequently than I do my snood and flowers. Then I only have this one left, and there's quite a bit of stuff still. Bigger clips in general. Okay, I don't think the combs get to have their own entire bin. I'm gonna add this thing, a hair accessory thing. Oh, I also found this gold thing. It's gonna go in with all the gold accessories. Maybe this can go in with the hair sticks as well, because that's not something I use all the time anyway. Hair nets, pearls, sock donuts, one Velcro roller for bangs, and I have some scrunchies. I think the scrunchies and the sock donuts can go in one bin together, and that would go underneath the black clips. Alright, so this whole thing with the duckbill clips, I hope, yep, oh that fits, that's, yes! I love when that happens. And then all there's left is this miscellaneous stuff. I can pop the Velcro roller. You know what, maybe it's time to just separate this out and actually start using it. I got this in a goodie bag, I believe. And it's a mix of hair elastics and pins and things. And for some reason I've always kept it in this little tin and never actually used it because it's in this separate tin and not with the rest of my things. So I think this is the moment when I finally start to use this stuff. This also contains some U-pins, which I do sometimes need, and I know that I have, but I just don't grab them because they're in this tin. Then there is this thingy, which is a curling iron holder, which is really great when I'm filming hair videos, so that's gonna go in there as well. I'm just gonna put the pearls in with the bows. And then last thing is the hair nets, and I really wanted to separate the hair net from the Velcro roller, but they ended up next to each other again. Maybe I can get away with it like that when it's separated by the curling iron holder. So here is the end result. I am very excited. We'll have to see how this works when I actually start to use the system, but so far I am very pleased. So I have in the front here big clips and berets, things that you kind of use to just throw your hair up. Then I have kind of regular casual hair elastics, small little hair elastics, and all kinds of pins. Then next layer here I have my hair combs, hair sticks, and other kind of alternative hairstyling items, I guess you could say. This is a little bin full of sparkly gold accessories. Here I have little pearl twisties, and these are all other hair elastics that aren't your normal kind of typical hair elastic. Here, my little hair net, the curling iron holder, and the Velcro roller for my bangs. This is the container of duckbill clips that I use for pin curling. Then behind here I have this bin full of these little separating clips. This bin on the other side contains all my bows and kind of more flamboyant accessories, I guess. This one contains scrunchies and sock donuts. And the last bin back here holds my snood and some hair flowers. So I was able to fit everything in here, and there is even a little bit of room to spare. So I am very happy with where we got today. This is definitely much more functional to me. I hope, at least. It looks much more functional than what I had before anyway. That was a very successful organizing session. I am over the moon with how this turned out. I wasn't expecting everything to fit into one drawer. I was pretty sure I'd have to do 2 drawers, which I might still do in the future so that I don't have to have a double layer. I'll try to live with this for a while, see if it's acceptable or not, and if not, then I can always, you know, make those changes after all. I really hope you enjoyed this little organizing video. I always really like watching these. So if you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for lots more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.